Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. From today onwards, we are going to start a theoretical part of Java. In this course, we are going to learn about the overall theoretical questions and answers in core Java only. In every day, I am going to upload one video. In each video, approximately from 20 to 50 important questions will be there. These are very important questions. You can crack this interview or any MNC company types or any startup companies. Every company is asking this type of questions only. If you learn all these questions, you can crack the any interview easily. Okay, let's start our section. First of all, we start with the basics. First of all, we need to know what is Java. In every interviews, the first question is for freshers. Only the question what is Java. For to this question, we can answer simply like as this given. This is what is Java. That means Java is a simple, high-level platform independent, architectural neutral, secure, robust, multi-threaded, distributed, and object-oriented programming language. We can say just like this way only simply. This is enough. If your interviewer asks, please elaborate the every point, then you can proceed with this explanation. Simple, how it will, how is it simple, and secure. How can you say is this Java is this secure and platform independent portable? What is platform independent and portable? And architecture natural. What is this architecture natural? Every point my interviewer may ask. This is optional. Every interviewer may not be asked, but a city interviewer only may ask. And multi-threaded and distributed object oriented. This is very important. What is object oriented? This every interviewer will ask. Java is a object oriented programming language. Why? This is the main important questions. Mm, Here I am going to read. Java follows object-oriented principle, making it easier to design, understand, and complex problems. అంటే ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఈజీగా మనం రాయడానికి ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది మనం ప్రోగ్రామింగ్స్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బేస్డ్ చేసుకొని మనం ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ అనేది చేస్తాం. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే కనుక ద మీడియం ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. మీడియం ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే కనుక వీ హ్యావ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ లైక్ తెలుగు, హిందీ, ఇంగ్లీష్, మరాఠీ, కన్నడ. దీస్ ఆర్ ద లాంగ్వేజెస్. Coming to the in our IT field, medium of communication is nothing but language like C++, Java, like that way. Program is nothing but a set of instructions given to the device. We can say consider on a dim boy, and you don't have uh, that listening character, and we can give the directions like with hands. We can give some directions. Through that he can respond. He will respond after the watching this hand movements. Like that way we are giving the code to the missions for to do the some task. This is called as a program. And programming language. What is the programming language? A set of grammatical rules or syntax for writing program to the instruct a mission to perform specific task. ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ టాస్క్ని మనము పర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అనే వాటిని మనం ఒక డివైస్కి అయితే అయినా ఇస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. And types of programming language. We have three types of three levels of programming languages: low level, mid level, high level. You can see here. You can read all this content. You can after that you will get the proper clarity on these things. And next things, main important questions. So if we see the important questions in Java, this is the basics, like foundation to the any bigger building or any construction. With first of all, whatever you are preparing, if you are preparing civil, the basic needs is required. And present, if we consider in IT side, if you want to become a so one proficient software engineer, at least you should know one programming language. Mm, Actually, you chosen now as a Java. That's why you are watching this video. I know. Mm, As a Java developer, you must and should know some basics. What is Java and what are the components, or what are the tools present in Java, and what is the bytecode, how Java will run, how Java will works in practical projects. That is the basic points you need to know. Now coming to this important questions with answers. First is what is source code? Source code is nothing but whatever the code we are writing in our platform, like consider lead code or hacker rank. You are writing code to add the two values or any executable code like a hello world. That's called as a source code. Next, coming to the next question, what is the native code? Bytecode, mission code. Low level code directly executed by the mission. Mission code is the final stage. First of all, the Java code will run based on the three steps. First of all, first one is source code. After source code will be converted into the bytecode, like Java C. You will come to know what is Java C. Java C is nothing but a compilation. After compiling the Java source code, it will convert into the bytecode, source code into bytecode. After bytecode, the bytecode will convert into the mission code, mission understandable code. After that, the mission will give the output based on that mission code. Mm, Next, what is bytecode? I am given all the details regarding to the bytecode just now. Mm, We can read here. And what is platform dependency? Platform dependency, we can read here. Compile into OS and native code. Limitation cannot run on other OS without a compilation. Java compile into platform independent bytecode. Converts bytecode into OS specific code at runtime. Advantage: write once, run anywhere. The main advantages of Java is you can write once and run anywhere. You can write your code in Windows once. After that, you can run anywhere, like Mac, different types of platforms. Okay, but another programming languages, this is not possible to run. That's why Java is very special and great languages comparing with other programming languages like C, C++, Python. Next, coming to the next question, what is the difference in execution speed between C, C++, and Java? Now I can explain in generally. C and C++ this is the very fast and executable codes. Like if you run the code in C, C++, the code will execute very fastly comparing with the Java. But coming to the Java, slightly slower because bytecode to native code conversion at runtime. The Java code will run like one by one, one by one line. That's why the Java compilation of the code is somewhat slight slower than the C and C++. Next, coming to the what is Java compiler. Mm, I said already, the source code converted into the bytecode. This process is called as a compilation. This compilation files will be stored like as a class files. Mm, Here the point is there: convert source code into the bytecode. Here overall syntax will be checked by the compilation process. Now coming to the seventh question: what is the Java interpreter? Java interpreter converts bytecode into the native code line by line, executes the converted code. Early Java version had slower execution due to the line by line process. This overall slow process explanation is done by the Java only. What is the JIT compiler? Just in time. JIT compiler converts the frequently used code to the native code, optimize performance, reduce the execution time per repeated code segments. The JIT is nothing but the entire code will be executes at a time only, not one by one line. This is nothing but the JIT compiler. And coming to the next question, what is the Java runtime environment definition? Implementation of the JVM. Coming to these points, class liberates interpreter JIT compiler purpose required to run the Java program. Without JRE, the Java programs there is no chance to run. Without JRE, the Java source code will not compile. And that is the main importance. We will come to know overall details regarding to the JRE in future or next section. Next, coming to the another question, what is the JVM, Java Virtual Machine? This is also the important one in Java program execution. Specification by the Sun microsystem for executing the Java applications. Key points: instance of JRE at runtime. This is implementation by the Sun JREs, IBM JRE, Oracle JRE. This is also will discuss in next section in detail, because if I explain about this one now, there is a chance to confuse and you can't understand, because the flow of execution of code you need to know first of all, then only you can understand this and all everything. And coming to next one, what is the JDK, Java Development Kit? The definition of this kit is toolkit for developing Java applications. This is also you will come to know in next section, because this is JDK. Every source code and every Java related mm, tools will be available in only JDK. Tools like Java compiler, Java interpreter, Java pidger, source files, core Java liberators. I will come to know in next section about this JDK. What is Java workflow? Uh, First of all, every beginner should know what this one thing, how the Java will works. First of all, source code. Source code is nothing but whatever the code we are writing in the platform, that is nothing but a source code. This while compiling, while you are running the code, that code will be compiled by the compiler. This compilation will be done if there is no any errors in your code, then only this code will run and compile successfully. After compiling, class file will generate. This class file will contains the bytecode. That bytecode will be converted into the native code or mission code via JVM or JIT. JVM JIT. Now you should know what is JVM and JIT. Bytecode to native code. Native code nothing but a mission code. This performance will done by the JVM and JIT. Mm, And the advantages of this thing is platform independent via bytecode and JVM. Bytecode and JVM. Why Java is platform independent? because of the bytecode and JVM. Okay, now to performance. Coming to the performance, endpoint enhanced by the JIT, but C remains faster for direct execution. I already discussed about this point because C and C++ is very faster. The reason is Java compiles the code one by one, like line by line, but C and C++ not like that. This is overall thing about this basics of the Java programming language. Thank you for watching this video. If you want this PDF, please subscribe the channel and send me comment like I need a PDF, then I will send to you directly. Thank you. If you think this is useful for you and your friends, please share to them and please suggest them to, um, like subscribe this channel because so valuable content and interview based questions will be only uploaded in this channel. This course will take minimum 30 days for to complete the overall Java interview questions. This is very easy to learn. Every day only 20 to 50 questions may come. That's all. Just 1 hour or half an hour is required for to read these questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share to your friends. See you in next video.